We are Maximum Impact Adventures.
Now, something new for Maximum Impact Adventures, an unboxing video.
From Pelican. As you know in our video, we use Pelican kayaks and Pelican paddles, and now this is a new item, is a Pelican storage bag for the trunk compartment area of the kayak. Now we're going to see now exactly what it looks like, what it holds, and how durable it is.
Maybe even see how it fits.
Maybe if we can get out in the rain. Very careful with the knife tip. It's supposed to be a 17-liter capacity, and it's supposed to fit the trunk area. There we go. Looks sturdy. Carry handle. On both sides, actually. 2 carry handles. Clip. And a top handle. That's everything in the box.
So we're going to go out and try it on the kayak here now in a minute to show you if it fits well, what it does, and so on.
Okay.
Just a bag, shoulder straps in one of the locations.
And like I say, you can switch them around.
From side to side.
Top location or the other side, depending. Some are going to carry right, carry left. And now,
Try to fit it in the
storage
pyramid.
compartment.
Fits like smacking in the mouth.
Oh my God, fits perfect. You probably leave the strap off when it's in the boat. But as for compact storage,
That fits
and
perfect on
your
the
essentials
kayak.
for the day, it should be a good fit. Now we're going on a trip. We're going to try it out, and we'll show you more in the next video.
Thanks for joining us.